Hello friends, I am Pradeep Palkar working as a system professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS IIT Pune. Today we have to discuss development of stages of project. So in this video, the index of that is organization structure, project teams, farming the project team, kickoff meeting, and work packages. So these are the content we have to discuss one by one. Now, the firstly, we have to discuss about the what is meant by organizational structure and project teams. The first is we'll discuss about the organizational structure. What is the meaning of organizational structure? An organizational structure is defined how task, authority, responsibility, and communication are arranged within an organization. It who reports to whom, how decisions are made, and how work is coordinated. See here, the organization structure and how it impact project team. We will go through the pros and cons of traditional functional structure, discuss the merits of a dedicated project organization. Understanding this concept will lead to the appropriate structure for effective project execution. See, the organizational structures is in project management. Organizational structure directly affect to the project authority, resource availability, communication flow, and project success. Now, it is clear that key organizational structure defined how task, authority, responsibility, and communication are arranged within an organization. Okay, what are the types of organizational structure? The number one, the functional organizational structure. It is clear that key organizational structure means define the task, authority, responsibility, and communication. The first is functional organizational structure. Okay, what does it mean that the groups employee by specially such as engineers, marketing, or finance, and this structure is efficient for specialized tasks but can lead to communication silos. The organization is divided into the department based on function. Okay, what is meant by functional structure? It is divided into section wise: engineering section, marketing, finance, right? Example like production, design, quality, finance, HR, R&D. This is including the functional structure. Okay. Below, for example, the employees report to functional. Okay. That is, for example, employee report to the functional. What is mean by divisional structure? Organize employee by product, service, geographic region, and this structure promoted autonomy but can lead to duplication of resources. That is a divisional structure. And what is a matrix structure? Combines functional and division. right? That is a hybrid. Matrix structure means hybrid, the combined functional and divisional. Combined functional and divisional structure, allowing employees to report to multiple managers, and this structure collaboration but can create a confusion and conflict. Okay, is it clear? What is a functional? Functional is clear, divided into the department based on the function, and division organize employee by product, service, or geographical. And these both are combined, that is a matrix structure. Okay. See, the next we will discuss the forming the project team. Forming the project team, that is a very important. How a successful project hinges on the right team. Select individual with necessary skills, experience to execute the project task effectively. Okay. Consider project requirement, available resource, and organizational structure when forming the team. Okay. Ensure the clear roles and responsibility to promote efficiency and accountability. See here, what are the first step forming the project team? Number one, step number one, define the project or requirement. Step number two, identify the required skill roles. Step number three, select the team members. Assign the roles and responsibility. Establish team structure and team orientation training. And next is develop the team culture. Right? These are the 7 steps forming the project. See here, the project management play a virtual role in the team selection and management, ensuring the team members possess the necessary knowledge, skill, motivation for success. Effective communication and collaboration are essential for navigating the project challenges. Define the roles, clearly defined each member, their roles and responsibility for accountability. Select the skilled member. Choose the team member with the necessary skill and experience. Faster collaboration encourage the teamwork and open communication. Now, these are the selection, the right structure and team leads to successful project completion. Then proper team formation ensure the effective planning and control. Okay. Thank you.